The Guadalcanal Provincial Health Authority remains committed to addressing critical health infrastructure needs in the province. Through support from the Provincial Capacity Development Fund, Mbabanakira Clinic in West Guadalcanal is now undergoing repairs and upgrades. Eliza Kukutu has more.
Work is ongoing to renovate and upgrade the Mbabanakira Clinic in West Guadalcanal. The Guadalcanal Provincial Government, through the Provincial Capacity Development Fund (PCDF), has committed $500,000 for the project to provide communities with efficient health services. Guadalcanal Provincial Health Director Dr. Seleso confirmed this to SIBC TV.
Mbabanakira actually one of those top priority for renovation because of demand of service, population, and geography too, very isolated. So Mivala plan for renovating. We've been looking for funding, look at our budget them tight a little bit. So we look outside, and Guadalcanal Provincial Government through PCDF funding, him step in and him provide him over 500,000, $500,000 for renovating, expansion and renovation. So the current status now is contractor is on site now currently, and work have already started as of last week on the extension part there. So building not really into renovation yet, just the extension. So they're working around in clinic here. Health services still go as normal until such time where construction work and move into the main building for total renovation. Then the health executive, Guadalcanal Health Executive, will decide on what to do on the service, whether to suspend or to scale down or to move to a makeshift or temporary location for health service and continue. But we will ensure that service by him not really disrupted, services by him available.
Dr. Seleso urges communities to take ownership of health facilities.
Yeah, I think just call for community participation, no matter all those clinics. So we always call for community participation in terms of maintaining, look after health facilities, not only clinics but boats and OBMs. Yeah, this costs our government significant amount of money, and as well as our donor partners. Maybe looking New Tenabutu Clinic was bent down not by the whole community, but some people, very minor, minority of people not doing, but it affects our image to our donor partners. So this calls for a respect to our health facilities, our staff, and the assets that belongs to health. We have stay a lot communities, believe me.
Eliza Kukutu for SIBC TV.